Are you struggling with stubborn fat? Want to burn fat faster while actually healing your body? Well, Dr. Jason Fung, a world-renowned expert in fasting and metabolism, has shared some game-changing insights on how food can actually work for you, not against you.
If you have all those calories sitting on your body, 100,000 calories sitting in body fat, so what's the problem? Take it out of your body fat.
This idea that you should sort of eat all the time and it being healthy is probably one of the most sort of damaging things that we've done to people.
Dr. Jason Fung, a world-leading expert in intermittent fasting and metabolic health, emphasizes that true fat loss isn't just about calories in and calories out. It's about hormonal balance, inflammation control, and real, nutrient-dense foods.
What is autophagy? The 2016 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Dr. Yoshinori Osumi for his discoveries on autophagy. The word derives from the Greek, auto meaning self and phagine meaning to eat. The word literally means eating yourself. It's the body's mechanism of getting rid of all the broken down old cellular machinery, such as the organelles, the proteins, and the cell membrane, when there's no longer needed or they're not functioning well.
Did you know your body has a built-in system that literally recycles itself to keep you young, healthy, and energized? This incredible process is called autophagy, a self-cleansing mechanism that could be the key to longevity, fat loss, and disease prevention. Autophagy is like your body's built-in cleanup crew for your cells. Dr. Jason Fung explains that it kicks in when your body senses there's no more food coming in, basically during fasting. When that happens, your cells shift into survival mode. They start breaking down and recycling old, damaged parts, turning them into the building blocks for fresh, healthy components. In simple terms, autophagy clears out all the cellular junk, the stuff that's worn out or not working properly, and uses it to rebuild newer, stronger cells. It's your body's natural way of keeping itself young, clean, and running at its best. The word autophagy comes from Greek, meaning self-eating. But before you freak out, let me explain. Autophagy is your body's way of cleaning the house, breaking down old, damaged, or malfunctioning cell components, and recycling them into brand new, healthy parts. Think of it like taking out the trash in your body. It helps clear out damaged organelles, misfolded proteins, and other cellular debris that, if left unchecked, can lead to aging, inflammation, and even diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Now, here's the exciting part. Your body doesn't just activate autophagy randomly. One of the most powerful ways to trigger it is through fasting. When you eat frequently, your body is constantly in growth mode, fueled by insulin and glucose. But when you stop eating for long enough, insulin levels drop, and your body switches gears into a deep repair mode. This is where autophagy kicks in. Think of fasting as pressing the reset button for your cells. Instead of burning new calories for energy, your body starts looking inward, cleaning out damaged cells, and making room for fresh, new ones. So, how long do you need to fast to activate autophagy? Well, according to research, autophagy starts ramping up around the 16-18 hour mark of fasting, and it peaks between 24-48 hours. That's why intermittent fasting, 16 to 8, and extended fasting, 24+ hours, are so effective, not just for weight loss, but for deep cellular healing.
This idea that you should sort of eat all the time and it being healthy is probably one of the most sort of damaging things that we've done to people. It's not natural. It's not what we used to do. It's what we haven't done that for, most of our history. It's only been in the last sort of 30 years that people thought, well, you should eat 6 to 8 times a day. Most of the time it was sort of 2 to 3 times a day maximum, with stipulations that you really shouldn't eat more than that. And then now all of a sudden people are like, oh yeah, you should eat all the time to lose weight. I'm like, how does that even work, right? Like from a physiologic standpoint, when you eat, you're not losing weight. You cannot be. It's impossible. So, this idea that, oh, you have to do that, it's sort of a very, very modern idea that's been presented as scientific and all that sort of stuff.
And not to eat. So remember, When you're eating, your body is going to want to store calories. And one of the ways that the body stores calories is as body fat. When you're not eating or when you're fasting, your body wants to use those calories. It takes the calories from storage and uses them so that you have a source of energy. That's why you don't die in your sleep every single night.
Important note. But before we continue this video is meant for informational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. If you have any health concerns or medical conditions, it's always best to check with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, fasting routine, or lifestyle. Stay informed and take care of your health. Dr. Jason Fung believes fasting is one of the most powerful ways to kickstart autophagy. He explains that when you fast, your body switches gears, moving out of growth mode and into repair mode, where it begins a deep clean at the cellular level. To make it simple, Dr. Fung often recommends starting with time-restricted eating. Stop eating after sunset and skip breakfast. Syncing your meals with your body's natural circadian rhythm. One popular method is the 16/8 approach. You eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, like from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., and fast for the remaining 16 hours. According to Dr. Fung, a 16-hour fast is the shortest fast that meaningfully activates autophagy. Not only does this help your cells repair and renew, but it also pushes your body to burn stored fat for energy and clear out extra sugar from your bloodstream. 16 hours of fasting, 8 hours for eating. In this example, you'd eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., highlighted in green, and fast the rest of the time, shown in white. Following this routine daily gives your body 16 hours to rest, repair, and activate autophagy. Over time, this pattern not only helps clear out damaged cell parts, but also trains your body to burn stored fat for fuel between meals. Dr. Fung also suggests occasionally taking fasting a step further by trying a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. For example, you could finish dinner one evening and not eat again until dinner the next day. He explains that these longer fasts push your body into even deeper levels of autophagy and ketosis, supercharging both the cellular cleanup process and fat burning. Many people who try this notice they feel more energized and mentally clear after a full day fast, almost like the deeper cellular reset leaves their body and mind feeling refreshed and recharged. Benefits of fasting: fat loss, healing, and cellular renewal. Burns fat efficiently. When you fast, your insulin levels drop, signaling your body to shift from burning sugar to burning stored fat for energy. As Dr. Jason Fung highlights, fasting prompts your body to tap into fat reserves, while simultaneously kickstarting important repair processes like autophagy. Cellular housekeeping. During fasting, cells begin to break down and recycle old, damaged components, kind of like a deep clean at the cellular level. This process helps eliminate dysfunctional proteins and organelles before they can cause trouble, keeping your cells healthier and more efficient. Healing and longevity. Once the cellular debris is cleared, your body can focus on regeneration and repair. Research shows that autophagy not only supports anti-aging and increased longevity, but also helps lower inflammation and may protect against serious conditions like cancer and Alzheimer's. In essence, fasting promotes a cycle where you're not just losing fat, you're giving your body a chance to heal and renew itself from the inside out. Lifestyle factors like regular exercise, especially strength training, quality sleep, and stress management, can amplify the benefits of fasting. Exercise itself acts as a mild stressor that encourages autophagy, while staying hydrated with water, black coffee, or tea ensures your cells function optimally. Prioritizing rest and relaxation helps your body slip more easily into repair mode, making the benefits of fasting even more powerful over time. Autophagy is like hitting a reset button on your cells. Clean out the bad, renew the good. By using Dr. Fung's fasting strategies, you can unlock this process and achieve both fat loss and deep healing. Remember to start gradually and listen to your body, and check with a healthcare professional if you have any medical conditions. If you found this explanation helpful, like this video and subscribe for more science-based health insights. Drop your questions or experiences with fasting in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and here's to unlocking your body's natural healing power.